Welcome to the 2025 Tour Homes in Bend, Oregon. This annual event is one of the biggest showcase of home design and construction in the state, where builders, designers, and architects open their doors to highlight the very best in luxury finishes, innovative layouts, and cutting-edge trends. Stick around, because I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes look at what makes this year's tour stand out and why it's such an exciting opportunity if you're thinking about building, buying, or even just looking for inspiration for your own home. As a licensed Oregon real estate broker, I make it a point to attend every year. Not only do I get a first look at the newest styles and features, but I also bring back valuable insights for my clients. So when it's time to buy or sell, you're always ahead of the curve. Let's dive in. The first home I was able to tour was a showcase of modern luxury and thoughtful design. Spanning 4,948 square feet, it offered 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, blending elegance with functionality. Inside, I found a gourmet kitchen with a full butler's pantry, a spa-style primary bathroom retreat, a custom concrete fireplace that was massive, a media room, a dedicated home office, and even a wet bar for entertaining downstairs. The home was truly designed with lifestyle in mind. Outdoors, you have an expansive covered patio and multiple decks overlooking the golf course, complete with connections for a grill, fire pit, and hot tub, perfect for year-round Bend living. The 3-car garage includes an oversized bay built to accommodate a sprinter van or even a speedboat, and because it's located in a gated enclave community, it's very private and quiet on this street. The builder was Tartan Druum by Arrowwood Development, and the property was priced at $4,075,000 during the tour, and it's an excellent example of the high-end craftsmanship and design innovation that makes Bend's Tour of Homes such a must-see event. This was a great start to the tour. Let's see what's next. Next on the tour, this 3,064 square foot home blends modern Scandinavian design with warmth and livability. Perfectly positioned overlooking Discovery Park, it has 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, and it was priced during the tour at $2,074,000. The exterior sets the tone with black Pella windows and sliders for both style and efficiency, complemented by custom wood garage doors with an epoxy finished floor. Step inside and you'll find a light-filled interior featuring Magnifica Calcutta waterfall counters, Gen Air appliances, ceiling height cabinetry, and a custom white oak hood. Every detail was designed to impress in this one. The primary suite feels like a spa retreat, offering a zero-entry shower, heated tile floors, and rift white oak cabinetry. Throughout the home, you'll notice Dansk Fairline engineered wood floors, a striking heat and glow 6K fireplace with full height plaster, and custom black metal stair railings that tie the modern look together. Outdoor living is just as inviting with a covered patio and built-in gas fire pit, perfect for enjoying Bend's 4 seasons. This home was built by Curtis Homes, and this residence is a showcase of craftsmanship, functionality, and modern elegance, making it a highlight of the tour. This next home is a beautiful example of prairie-style design, offering 2,496 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. At the time of the tour, it had already been sold, a clear reflection of its appeal. Inside, we found a chef's kitchen outfitted with Gen Air appliances and floor-to-ceiling cabinetry, paired with warm engineered wood floors that created an inviting feel throughout the home. The layout includes a bonus room and a dedicated office, giving plenty of flexibility for work or play. One of my favorite features is the primary suite, which opens directly to a private patio and the grassy backyard. Perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or unwinding in the evening, and with its western exposure, this home captures gorgeous sunset views, so you won't want to miss those. This home was built by MCD Homes, and this property shows how thoughtful design and timeless finishes can make a home both stylish and highly livable. The last home I toured was this mid-century modern home in Bend's Towline neighborhood, and it's a striking blend of style and function. With 3,155 square feet, it offers 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and at the time of the tour of homes, it was listed at $1,598,000. The design makes a bold impression with vaulted ceilings, an open floor plan, and expansive windows that capture Cascade Mountain views while maximizing winter sunlight thanks to its western-facing exposure. The main floor features the primary suite with a spa-inspired ensuite and a den, while upstairs you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, perfect for family or guests. This home is Earth Advantage certified, ensuring energy efficiency without compromising on luxury. High-end finishes include Fisher and Paykel appliances, curated light fixtures, and unique stone counters that add character to every space. Outdoors, the fenced backyard and covered deck provided an inviting retreat year-round. This home was built by Structure Development, and it perfectly captures the essence of Bend living: modern design, efficiency, and natural beauty all in one. If you're looking to buy or sell your home, give me a call or send me a text message so we can connect and get in touch. I offer concierge style services to my clients, and I want to help you get into the best home possible or sell your home for top dollar. And with my services, I aim to do the very best I can. I am honest, straightforward, and very diligent, and I communicate openly. So I hope you'll give me a call and let me represent you.